She doesn't want to play right now.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
What do you want?
Roof!
You think you gonna not get a bath? Come on. Come on. Come on.
I can't even.
I said no. Hey, I said no. No.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
Rue. Rue.
You wish.
Go.
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Parmesan, sir.
Say when.
Like this and go.
There she goes. Punk. She's dead.
Ready? You're adopted. Is that okay?
Careful.
Help me, help me.
Đi sang thử.
Who are you talking to? Oh! Are you?
I'm trying to take a dump, but I can't by myself.
The person I connected to the most is Aisha.
This is not Starbucks. This is McDonald's.
What?
By the time I get back, I can always leave, and I'm taking a joke.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh? What?
Oh my goodness. Slow down.
True. What are you two doing?
Oh my God. What is this?
No. No, no. No.
Do it again.
Got like an hour. It's not dinner time.
Bro, do you want some cheese?
What are you doing? Kimber, what are you doing?
All right, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Yes! Please tell me you're gonna yes! That is awesome!
We're going to hear about how their dream home became
Hey! It's Sunday morning! Okay, fine. Butts
much better. Are you nice and warm now?
Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth. Benji. Benji. Hey.